The national and county governments have intensified mitigation efforts as they seek to cushion vulnerable populations from the adverse effects of the coronavirus pandemic. The efforts coming amid heightened security across the country as authorities move to enhance guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health aimed at containing the spread of the virus.
Security team and COVID-19 emergency team in Trans Nzoia County are on high alert to arrest truck drivers allegedly transporting people to the area. County Commissioner Samo Jang saying that police officers are on high alert to arrest people entering the county through dubious means from high-risk areas.
Subiri kidogo tumalize haya maneno na utasafiri kama kawaida. Ukisaidia kueneza ugonjwa hautaruhusiwa kuwa ukisafiri. Kwa hivyo vumilia usisafiri. Tukipata watu hatua inachukuliwa.
Kwa hivyo nataka kutoa onyo kwa wale ambao wanaendesha trucks. Kama utapatikana wewe unaendesha truck ndio unabeba watu katika hizo trucks, rest assured tutakushukulia hatua ya kisheria kulingana na Public Health Act ambayo inafanya kazi sasa.
In Isiolo, over 4,000 needy households benefited from food and non-food items from an Islamic religious organization in a bid to cushion them from the adverse effects of coronavirus pandemic.
Our prayers as a sub-county that they continue supporting the vulnerable people. They continue supporting with us with a lot, especially during this time when the county or the sub-county or the county is facing a lot of starvation, a lot of the issues of coronavirus.
Elsewhere, there was confusion at the Malaba border after Uganda port health officers handed over a person suspected to have contracted COVID-19 to Kenya public health officers. Documents from Uganda indicated that the 36-year-old had tested negative for COVID-19 disease, but when he was tested by Kenya health officers, the results turned positive. The suspect was transferred to a Lupe quarantine center where he will remain for the next 14 days.
He waited actually for about 2 days or 3 days. That is when the results were released on Friday. I was told that there is somebody among those who were specimens were taken who was turned out to be positive. When I inquired about the name, I was told it was the same person whom we brought from Uganda.
And with increased cases of truck drivers testing positive for coronavirus, Migori Governor Okoth Obado has appealed to the national government to establish a functional medical laboratory along the Kenya-Tanzania common border. The county boss says most of the positive cases in the country have been traced to Tanzania.
First and foremost, you must protect your people. Hiyo maneno ya biashara inakuja baadaye. But it should now not mean that we are cutting off our diplomatic relations. Does not mean that now we are chasing everybody away. It only means that for the time being, we must be extra careful and very, very conscious in taking the steps that will guarantee our safety as a people.
Meanwhile, persons living with hearing impairment disability in Mombasa County who have been economically affected by the deadly coronavirus pandemic had a reason to smile after a well-wisher donated food and face masks. Mohamed Salim Thenge, who made the donation at Tudor Estate in Mvita constituency to over 50 persons with hearing impairment, said these are unprecedented times when able Kenyans do need to support less fortunate and needy members of the society. And the Italian government has started evacuating its citizens from the coastal region as a way of protecting them against COVID-19. More than 250 Italian nationals in the North Coast region alone were on Sunday evacuated by a chartered plane that landed at the Mombasa International Airport. Coastal counties of Mombasa, Kilifi and Kwale have been placed under containment after they recorded a substantial number of COVID-19 positive cases.